How to change location on Roblox account. Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see that can you change the location on your Roblox account? So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Roblox, tap on the street dot in the bottom right corner, then tap on Settings, then tap on Account Info Previously. Here was an option to change your location, but it looks like Roblox has removed that option in a recent update. So as of right now, you can change the location of your Roblox account. But if Roblox brings back the location option, I'll let you know. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.